You are watching Beyond the News. Like, comment, and subscribe.
What I'll do if I didn't get any papers in the United States and I left children back home, and it's been years and I feel like nothing is working out for me here in the United States. Now this is the truth when I found on our ear, because I feel like say everybody for come foreign on green card put on here for the whole away. Truth be told, some of us don't belong here. I've seen citizens working like a slave and can't even afford a plane ticket to go back home. All I want to see that video that came across your timeline. If you're in a foreign, make sure you see the lady video. And she a ball and I say if she left her work or if she's called out from her job today, she not gonna work tomorrow. She can't afford a plane ticket to go back to Jamaica. And this is so many citizens, Jamaicans who become citizens or green card holder in the United States. You're not living a life here. You live a better life when you were in Jamaica, but because of pride and the opinion of others that never paid your bill before, you sit here in the snow, you sit here in the heat. We are talking about 3-digit number in a Cali, in a Nevada, in a Arizona, in a New York, and you succumb to the heat and the change of climate. The arthritis, not for only develop so many sickness living here in the United States, and you hold on to that pride of what others are going to say if you should return home. Let me tell you what you should do. You see all those money, rent a $2,000. I have a 3-bedroom condo and I'm paying $2,000 plus for my rent. I have a car note because I got a new car. I have insurance. My hair have to do, my nails have to do, I have to buy clothes. I grow up my clothes, I'm very regular. I have 2 kids. Me a girl a night and me work a day, and God he knows what else I do. I have a life. I'm expense a daytime. You don't want to see my card them. And for me, I'll say I'm doing very well because I have multiple sources of income. But for you, we are dependent on the 9 to 5, or even me still have multiple income, and me still would want to bring down my monthly, weekly, daily expense. Me that still want to bring it down. But you sit here and you hang on to what if, oh, if me get the green card. You're out there running around looking for man, looking for woman, for marry, for get green card. You kiss them down a yard. Me did run well for me down a yard, me love. And I'm different yard to yard. Me know how it feels. So when I open my mouth and tell you no, say me know when I say to you. America is not what you all hype it up to be. Don't make me fandangles and me carry me interior and sky roof and all of that fool you. Well, my life is not a pretend because I live a real deal shit. I'm a talk when the struggle is real. I'm a show no rate. Don't make the rest of them hyping up. Don't hang on to what if you are working that $2,000 or $3,000 or $5,000 or $600 rent that you're paying. Save your money. Go while I live in. Someone sit down at the living. Who no live for see 20 set of residents coming at the living home and you till they are you or you rule over them. You see the whole of the house people them go sleep out. A new set of residents come in and then go sleep. A new set of residents come in and catch you the 20 season are the next Netflix series in a fake care home where you're walking a pass through and I go on 21 and you're still in there. Ask you how much you have in your bank account. You can't show $1 coming. Now ask you not sit down on $10,000 right now. You not sit down on 10 bands right now in a living house where you're there now, and you don't have a rent to pay. Where the money gone? And you say you want to do this, not for only in the living work at 30, at 40, at 50, at 60, at 70, at you don't have much longer ago. What you plan to do? You can't even qualify for SSI. You not have no disability that come when you old, you know. Where you are going to live, you are going to be one of them where they on the street. They say because SSI now pay for you because your government not even know you. Take your money. Save your money. Nobody come under this bone of crime because people are dead in a foreign too. Robbery are going, all of that are going. The same thing are going on in Jamaica are going. So scammer them no guys, scammer them there too. The scammer them cross the border and live here so now. Go check Africa, them they everywhere. It's just that enough things that are blast on the news or the time now where they pan you now see them there's something there. Save your money and go home. If you are struggling, if you haven't been back to Jamaica every 2 years, every 1 year, every month, well, that's too much. If your body yearns for your vacation, you're not supposed to live a farm because sufferation you're living now. Take your money and build a house and go your yard. When you used to live in a boardhouse, if you go so right now on your wall in a farm, a boardhouse you're living at, it just look fancy. take your money, go pay NHT, get one I look at taka house them I sell people for much at $1,000 and go lay yourself down a yard. Save your money, go home to your children. Save your money, go home to the man already moving one woman in your house. It's just that you don't see it yet. Save your money and go home. You're struggling here mentally, you're drained physically, your body run down when you come and find with me. $1,000 me have to pay if you lose the weight. See me I tell them I can't hold in a car seat. One time I have to bring your phone far because I couldn't fit in a one frame. $1,000 me have to use to take off the weight. The amount I juke myself in my belly. Just to take off the little weight. And more. Just to lose the weight when we get on in a foreign, dirty foreign, then dirty food. We not live. We not live no life over here. Enough people not live no life. You were better off in Jamaica. You might not rich and everybody born for rich. You think everybody born for rich? If you all out with the rich, we not go clean on the body one on the hole. We not go sweep up the bathroom floor when we go in the bathroom in a KFC. Do not be brainwashed. It is time for you to go home. And this is not for everybody. You notice at the front of the video, I tell you who, if you can't buy a ticket for guy yard for vacation, you can't afford the hotel. You can't afford for guy your family, you have to guide them, you have to feed everybody when you go down there and pat the bar. Go your yard, you don't need to live in a foreign. If you can't get no papers, you're there years and years and can't get no papers. You go grow and grow until you buy marriage. And when you buy marriage, you can't file the paper because the man, when you buy marriage, a madman, you take off the road and go on that video and you know me already. Go home. Go borrow the loan, turn in a Wells Fargo and max out the credit card. Go at the local loan place, them pan the corner, this and go take the loan and take it, go build one house and guy a yard. Them can't claim no loan because you not come back a foreign. Go and max out the card, go build something to lay your head. By the way, Trump has know me well away. Freak Trump though, this is not about it. Your body, your health are deteriorate. Go home, please. Do not worry about what others. Right now, me soon pack up my things and gone to my yard. Me want to go home too. Me want to go home and do not care about what anybody say.
What the girl them used to love, farmer man, educated man. No badness them run down. We are changing order. Let go the badness thing here now. The girl them fill up farmer man, educated man, not a gun man. Them used to want the real hard worker. Money in a hand, yeah, the plan proper. Now a bad man, them a run down. But me tell them to stop run around. If I'm a man, I get you crown. Me say for turn the thing round.
Don't care zero who want agree with me and who want to burn me out. I don't care. You see me? I am a one burner. One woman me have. And me believe a man fi have one woman. Because no man can love two women one time. But I have 5 boys. And so far, my big son is the only one at this stage who have a woman we me know about. You understand? And I tell him something. Me tell him say, one woman. That me talk to him about, me say, one woman. Now, me not say him I go listen to me, you know. But him not stay in my house and give him woman when I talk to bun. Nah do that. Because he never come see me and give him mother bun. He never come see me and live them the life there. So him now go stay in my yard and give him woman no bun. And this is what I told him. I said, you see the woman where you talk to? You see any day me see you have another woman and decide where you talk to, me I go tell the woman where me know about, the one where you are talk about, where you are talk to, where me know about, see she a woman. Me I go tell her where you are do right in front of you. Right in front of you. Me I tell her. So me I go con, me I go inform upon you. Cause you not go stay in my house I have woman over east, woman over west, woman over north, woman over south. It's not going to happen. So if you don't want the woman where you talk to, let her go, make she go on and go live her life. Let her go. Don't hurt the woman. And I'm not going to in league with none of my son hurting any woman. I may encourage them. Any woman, I go cheat on you and I have another man with you. Left her. Leave her. Now stay with her. Because if you and her talk and she have another man and you are the side what? No man, leave her. She couldn't pretty like gold. She couldn't pretty like money. She couldn't line with gold. She couldn't have downtown and parade. Leave that. And find a woman who will love you for you. And I tell any woman who I talk to any of my son them, if you find out, say, him want to have 2, 3 with you, leave him and go find a man who love you. Don't be no side chick. Don't be no second woman. And I tell my son, say, not be no side man. And I tell my son, say, not give no woman no bond, because if we know about it, I tell her, shalom.